The chaos of the tunnel was locked away behind the airlock gates. They seemed invulnerable, and at that moment, so did my comrades.
Alright, we've broken through. Let's do this fast and smooth. Olman, you're in charge of the assault team. Boris and Stepan, you cover the comedian. Artyom, Vladimir, stay close to me. Okay, ребята, let's do it.
Go! Go!
Now that's a funny-looking thing. Spitty, it's broken.
Damn you!
Clear!
Hey, why the hurry, Colonel? How about sitting down and having a smoke? We're way too nervous.
It's no rest for the wicked, as you know. Forward, my soldiers.
Okay.
Great deeds await.
Great deeds? Somehow I'm not too enthusiastic about leaving my mark in history.
Oh, look at this. Someone left a skeleton here. Hey, how about we take it as a memento?
Olman, enough with the jokes, blin! When we're back at the base, you'll be sweeping tunnels with a toothbrush.
Yes, my marshal. As you say, my general.
Here's the first challenge. Artyom, flip those breakers.
Damn! Oh no, it's dark and scary there.
Shit!
Watch your language, soldier.
It's not language, it's shit. Literally, I stepped in it.
Oh, well, that's a great sign.
It's not a sign, it's an omen. If there is shit, then something left it here.
Sweet!
Okay, offense is the best defense. Vladimir, stay with Artyom. You both, stay back. Okay, let's go.
Oh, Colonel, I can't fight in such an environment. It stinks so much, I lost the sense of smell.
Olman, I wish you lose the bad jokes, blin! Oh, shut up. They're gonna make it.
A glass of
To hell with you, blin. I'm not listening. Stop laughing, blin!
All this space wasted. It's such a great place for growing shrooms, huh?
rush! Can't die twice anyway! Looks like we're through. Take a look what's behind the door. She out?
Boris! My friend, why?
Stepan, that's enough. You can't help him, Stepan. Let's go.
What suki? Boris, I swear on your memory, they won't rest while I'm alive.
It was one loss after another. And for everyone who died helping me save my home station, I felt a needle in my heart.
Okay, there's a pumping station ahead and a sewage pool. We'll need to open the door.
Give me a couple minutes.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. Just a little more. It's open.
Gas masks on. Orman, check the pool.
Huh. I always get the most interesting jobs, don't I? All clear. Let's move.
What do we do next?
Ладно. There's a passage down there. It's our only option. Let's move quietly.
Solaces are here. Come over here.
Careful, man. Careful. Shit! Fire at will!
Come over here.
This is the door leading to D6!
Are we there?
Looks like it.
Ah, short! It's locked!
I'm not surprised.
There's got to be a control unit somewhere.
Artyom, take a look at that room. Artyom, are you okay? Great, we'll try to reach you. Meanwhile, look for an exit.
Good luck.
Artyom, here! Oh, thank God, at least you're alive.
We lost Stepan.
Fuck! Okay, silence.
What's up?
A sound from the tunnel. Can't you hear it? Something's approaching.
Well.
What the?
Looks like an automatic system.
I'll check it out.
Somehow I have a bad feeling about this.
All clear.
There's no other way. Gotta take it.
So the next station is D6.
We were close to D6 now. It was hard to believe that we'd found the legendary command center, but was it worth so many lives? Soon we would know the answer.